In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and cheapest way to swap Ethereum into Bitcoin. First, you're going to want to go to swapsol.xyz. I know this says to convert to Solana, but it actually works. They've added other functionality as well. So all you'll need to do is enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to send, and it'll tell you how much Bitcoin you're going to get. So I have Ethereum on base right now. So make sure when you select the Ethereum that you select it on the right chain. So there's Ethereum for ETH chain here, or there is also Ethereum for base chain, as you can see here. Since I have Ethereum on base, that's what I'm going to be sending. As you can see, you don't need to connect your wallet or do anything crazy. This is just going to instantly send ETH into Bitcoin. So we're going to click exchange here, and then I'm going to enter the Bitcoin address. I have that here. It says you send 0.2 ETH on base and you get 0.00657 Bitcoin. We're going to create an exchange here. As you can see, we need to send 0.2 ETH on base. I'm going to go up to my MetaMask wallet. Firstly, I'm going to grab this deposit address because this is where we need to send the 0.2 ETH. I'm going to click copy, go up to the MetaMask wallet. We're going to go to send, enter the public address here. This is the address ending in 5FB, as it says in the deposit address. Going to send 0.2 ETH on base. We are on base network here. You can see we're sending it to the one ending in 5FB. 0x9 starts with. We're going to click continue, and we will click confirm. Okay, you can see it says confirmed there. You can see that changed. It's being confirmed. Now it's going to take a few minutes, so be patient. It will go through. As you can see now, it's saying your BTC is being sent. It is 11:36, so it's taking about 5 minutes or so. As you can see from my Cash App here, which is where I sent my Bitcoin, this is actually one of the best ways to off-ramp from Ethereum. In my opinion, I like to do it this way. I send it over to my Cash App, and then I can just sell it for cash and be able to use that money right away. As you can see, it came in at 11:37. It's still pending at the moment, but within a few minutes, this should be available. Once you see this page, you will know that your transaction went through. It says your exchange was completed, and here's a screenshot of it sitting in my Cash App account. That's how simple it is, guys. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like this video, leave a comment below, and share this with your friends. This works for many different pairs and many different cryptocurrencies on different chains. This is probably the easiest and fastest way to do it. So if you want to be able to do that, go to the link in the description below, swapsol.xyz, and you will be able to do this as well. Thanks for stopping by the video, guys. Talk to you soon.